We are using Redmi A3X and you want to see how to take screenshots without any stress, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to simply take screenshot of your Redmi A3X without any stress. Let me show you how. What you need to do right here, let's say for instance you want to take a screenshot of the home screen right here of your Redmi. What you need to do is to simply, you see this particular down button volume right here, and this one right here, this button right here, just press the two, hold down like so. So I'm going to click on press hold down like so. So it has to do with the bottom down volume with the just like so, and it will instantly take a screenshot. You can edit your screenshot as the case may be. If I click on edit right here, this will allow you to edit your screenshot. It's going to take you right here. So this screenshot here, you can crop and you can adjust your screenshot. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve as far as this is concerned. Once you're satisfied with the editing of your screenshot, go ahead and click on this check mark. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on save as copy, and you are done.